Thanks for checking out our channel here. This is just a little overview video on this particular unit, one we worked on for a customer. It's a Kencove EKD1, which this is actually made by Power Wizard. Makes this particular unit. They make a 1 joule, a 3 joule, and a 5 joule, I believe, maybe even a 7.5 joule. I can't recall. But anyway, this is the 1 joule output joule unit. Pretty good little unit. The board went bad for some dumb reason, but we don't get these in very often. Don't see them come in very often. But let me get you my information here in case you ever have something you want to ship us. If you ever got a fence charger you want to send us, whether it's Kencove or Power Wizard or Cyclops, Gallagher, whatever, we work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes. There are links in the description below if you'd like to click on that, take you right to our website. It's fencerfixer.com, one website, and the other website called cattlescalerepair.com is the other website. But it's a pretty neat little unit. Got about 3 different functions to it. Got a little button here. It's a dual powered unit, AC DC, which runs off of either or. It comes with a little plug like this, and it has 2 cables for it. One that has a couple clamps on it, go to your 12-volt battery, and the other one that plugs into the wall. Now when you first turn it on, right now we've got hooked to a 12-volt supply on some clamps, and you can see the bottom here. It says press 1. First turn on, press 1 for full power, press twice for half power. There's a little green light will pop up over here if it's on full power, and a little green light will pop up over here if it's on half power. And it goes through a little sequence of lights, like it's check and everything, do like a little initialization thing. But we'll push the button once, so the light turns on and it does all this little checks and stuff. See it clicking right along there. It's like your fence performance gauge, so depending on how high up your lights are going, how clean the fence is. So if it starts dropping into here and you're on full power, then you know, okay, I got something loading me down. And if you ever want to put on half power, because you don't need all the power right now, because fence is clean or animals are used to the fence, so they're not touching it, and you want to conserve your battery some, you can push the little button here, just a half power. See, it only goes up to there, so there's only half power coming out. And then you can turn it off by pushing it one more time. And if you need to check your battery, you just press and hold. And it shows you how charged up your battery is. So it's all the way to the top green. So you let go, it goes away. So we'll crank this down to we'll put it 11.9 volts on the battery. See what it reads there. So battery's low. So well, I'll put it to like 12.2 volts, see what that does. It's right there, so it's telling you, hey, your battery's a little on the low side. So it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So let's turn this back on. We'll do a little voltage check on it for you. Let me get my tester out here. Alright, put a tester across here, see what it reads. .4 kV, so over 6,000 volts coming out. Like I said, this is a 1 joule unit output. Let's see what kind of spark it throws for a little 1 joule. Nice little spark for what it's designed to do. So a slick little unit. Well, that's basically it for this little video. It's this little show and tell deal on it. So if you got one of these units or any other brand or model you'd like to send us for us to look at, we'd be happy to take a peek at it for you. We do give free quotes, and we do 18-month warranties on the repairs that we do to a unit. No matter if it's 25 years old, 40 years old, or 5 years old. So until next time, we'll see you guys later on.